You're dangerously qualified.
Palito na daw, ano na gamit ang kasa. Pila po din yung quandary, package, anong may nana?
Super pretty. Look at that. I like it. This purple. Pretty. This one's I like this one. This one is nice, but I don't like the color. This one is cute. Tanim ay di biro, maghapong nakayo. Afternoon. Oh, morning pa matingali. Morning pa pala.
Yes. Ilang?
Sino mo lipat ko?
Tatlo.
Pero na ganun eh.
Kasi po, nagpang? Pang eh. Pero tamis. Guys, ito din na ako guys. Nagalas lang.
pwede.
But you know, we understand how you feel on the examination, no? Some of the questions now look less of a test than realistic service, but more like a test of your mental health. Tama pala. Marami kaming nakikita sa mga group chat nyo. Akala nyo ha? Pero yung sabi, anong question yun? Di ba? After the exam, Facebook exploded with reklamos. Tama ba? Kayo yun? Meron nagsabi yun, ang hirap ng exam. Di ba? Yung sabi nyo kanina. Okay? Wala naman sa review. Di ba? Nagbayad pa kami ng 15,000, 20,000. Tapos si nanay, sinangla kayong kalabaw para makapag-review. Tapos nag-coaching pa. Tapos only to find out, situational yung lumabas. Some of you get this by heart, right? After going out the examination room. But when you learn that you pass, how did it feel? Because you're here, standing, getting your license, and definitely we can call you, you're dangerously qualified. Sabihin nyo nga sa katabi mo, you are dangerously qualified. Why? Abogado? Engineer? Ano pa ba? CPA? Assessor? 8-1?
As you begin your new chapter in your profession, di ba? Dapat kayo ay magsumikat para walang broke na broker.
Yoshi! Hello!
Hi ma'am, for
Hello ma'am, accreditation po.
Congrats! Congrats!
Hindi lang 40-60, sir. Is yung assistant partner. Kumbaga, kayo kung dalawa.
We'll have our dinner later sa airport. So for now, snack lang sa amin. Patay sa oras.
Ano pa siya? Diba? Cheese. Pabili na ni Coffee Chester. Joke lang.
Huy! Hello! Last na na. They have now service station. So you can actually charge your gadgets here. And I've seen like 3 ka-service station around the area. Ito may food ni Jeffrey. And as usual, it's hard to find food para sa ako because I don't eat meat. So gitawag ko niya so I can choose my food.
Hey.